Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to restart Instagram app on our phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to restart Instagram app on our phone, first we'll be required to open the settings on the phone itself. And again on this interface, scroll down until you can find the apps option available for us on your phone. Guys, just below the battery you can see, tap on the apps and tap on the app management button available for us at the top of the screen. And on this interface, search for Instagram on your phone and tap on Instagram, and you can see guys on this interface there is the force stop button available for us over here. Tap on the force stop button and this interface will appear. Again, tap on the force stop, then your Instagram app will be force stop on your phone, and the next time you open your Instagram app it will be restarting the Instagram app on your phone. And by this way guys, your Instagram app will be restarted. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos.